with the geezer. This is just a little short video, guys. Got the sunset to the west there and a thunderstorm coming in. It's Thursday night. Let me see if I can catch a little bit of that lightning for you. Of course, I was sitting out here watching it while ago. There it is. Sitting out here watching it a while ago, and it was really lighting up, but I go get my camera and then might be a different story. That's pretty cool looking though on that sunset. Blanca's in the trailer. She doesn't want any part of this mess. She says, nope, I'm not going out there again. Woo, that was a big one. I'll give you a couple of minutes worth of this. Looks like it's right there. Let's see. Heading that way. That's, well, I'm trying to think of a town up that way. That's going out that way. There's not much for a long distance. Straight over here to the west, go out that way is Valentine, and then Van Horn up there where 90 hits 10. And then Fort Davis is more north. I'll make this a 2-minute video. How does that sound? Just got the last of the sunset there. Sure you all can hear that thunder. Come on, give us one more big old light up before I go. Oh, there it was. There it is. Okay, guys, I better go. Geezer better get back under cover. Oh, it is going up to the north too. Boy, looks like we're going to get pounded here in a little bit. It's moving west to east, so it's going to come right over the top of us. Me and Blanco go in there and hide under the bed. We'll talk at you later. Adios, my friends. Good night.